Hello students, welcome again. Now today we will do the rest part of the exercise 7.1 and in this video we will learn more about 7.2, exercise 7.2 as well. So the question is, question number 8, that means what we have left for further, that is question number 8. The question is, in a right triangle ABC is given a right triangle which is right angled at C. जो कहां पर राइट एंगल है, राइट एंगल्ड कहां पर है, सी पर राइट एंगल्ड है. ओके, एंड एम इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूज ए बी. एम इज गिवन द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. ए बी का मिड पॉइंट गिवन है. इफ इट इज मिड पॉइंट गिवन, द मिड पॉइंट स्टैंड फॉर व्हाट? द पॉइंट विच इज एट द मिडल यू कैन से. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन कंक्लूड कि बी एम इज इक्वल टू ए एम. सिंपल, because M is given midpoint. Okay, now C is joined to M. C को बढ़ा के M तक ज्वाइन कर दिया गया है. Okay, such that CM equals to DM. ऐसा ज्वाइन किया गया है कि CM is also equal to DM. So you can say कि C D का जो midpoint है वो भी M है. Okay, so two different things are given. In first one, AB का मिड पॉइंट गिवन है N. सो फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड कि BM इज इक्वल टू AM. इन सेकंड पार्ट व्हाट इज गिवन कि CM इज इक्वल टू DM. C को प्रोड्यूस करके M तक बढ़ाया गया है और M पे ज्वाइन किया गया है. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन कि CM इज इक्वल टू DM. सो दैट ऑल्सो कंक्लूड कि M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ CD एज वेल. ओके, पॉइंट डी ज्वाइन टू पॉइंट बी. डी पॉइंट को बी से जोड़ दिया गया है. सो हियर वन मोर ट्राइंगल इज फॉर्म्ड, दैट इज BDC. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू शो? वी हैव टू शो four different things. First, AMC is congruent to BMD, where AMC, A and C, B and D. Okay. Second thing, DBC is a right triangle. DBC is a right angle. Okay, DBC is a right angle. That means B is a right angle. You have to prove. Okay, अगर हम DBC को right triangle proof कर दें, which is right angle at B, so it will be DBC is a right angle. Third, DBC is congruent to ACB. DBC is congruent to ACB. This we have to prove. Now fourth thing, CM is half of AB. CM is half of AB. Okay. So first I'm doing how to do the first one, solution. Now in triangle what we can write? In triangle AMC and triangle BMD. In triangle BMC, what are the you can say the equal parts? It is given कि M is the midpoint. Because M is given midpoint, so BM is equal to AM. So first we will write AM के नीचे, AMC के नीचे AM वाले part, that means AMC के part is equal to BM. Here you will write the reason why they are equal, because it is given कि they are equal, or you can write because M is midpoint. Because M is given midpoint. Okay. Second, angle BMD, this angle is equal to AMC. Why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so here you will write angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, vertically opposite angles. Okay, now third, it is also given is CM is equal to DM. Okay, in the question it is given, so here it is CM is equal to BM. Here you will write given. So by these three, here you can see it is S it is A, it is S. Side, angle, side. Congruency criterion. Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. At last you write in bracket by SAS, the triangles are congruent to each other. So first part we have done, and it is very easy because it is given AM equal to BM, CM equal to DM, and angles are vertically opposite angles. So it is very easy to prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Moving on to second part, DBC is a right angle. DBC right angle has this we have to prove. So how to prove? Now from this result, what we can obtain? Now we are doing the second part, that is B part. B, the solution of B part. Now what we have to prove कि angle B is a right angle. Angle B को हमें right angle prove करना है. Now how to prove? पहले हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? This we have to understand. Angle B, अगर हम angle B को angle C के equal prove कर दें, because it is given ACB is a right angle, so we can prove कि angle B is also is of 90 degree. That means right angle we can prove simply. But if we apply congruency in ABC and DCB, so what we have for proving congruency, हमको congruency prove करने के लिए हमारे पास कितनी चीजें हैं? This we have to find. We have BC equal to, BC is common in both the triangles. AC equal to AC. This also we are having. But third thing we are not having. So तीसरी चीज हमारे पास नहीं है. So how to prove congruency? So how to prove angle B equals to angle C? So we have to apply the other method. Okay. Now we have proven earlier here AMC is equal to, that means triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This we have proved earlier. ये हम prove कर चुके हैं. So now by this, what we can say about the sides? So by this we can say AB तो है नहीं, AC is equal to BD. What we can write by CPCT. Again I am telling what is CPCT. CPCT stands for congruent pairs, corresponding pairs of congruent triangles. अगर हम किसी दो ट्राइंगल को congruent prove कर देते हैं तो उनके corresponding जो sides होती हैं, corresponding जो pairs होते हैं, they are also, we can say they are also equal to each other, corresponding. Okay, so AC equal to BD, we can say. Now second thing, what we can say, कि angle NAC is equal to MBD, angle MBD by CPCT. Or simply you can say कि angle A is equal to, or you can say MBD or ABD. ABD is equal to angle BAC. Again by CPCT, because both are same. ये M से बन रहा है और ये B से बन रहा है. Angle is same in both the cases. So angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. By CPCT, we can say it. Now, one more thing we have to understand here. They are forming alternate pair of angles. They are forming alternate pair of angle. Why? AC will be parallel to BC and AB will be transversal. जब ये दो पेयर इक्वल होते हैं Z shape angle, then they are known as alternate pair of angles. So here we will write they are forming alternate pair of alternate angles. You can write alternate angles. They are forming alternate pair of angles. Hence what we can say? Hence AC AC is parallel to BD. This we can say AC is parallel to BD because AC is parallel to BD, AB is the transversal and they are forming alternate pair of angles. So hence we can say कि BD is parallel to AC. जब ऐसे पेयर हमें मिल जाते हैं then we can say कि lines are parallel to each other. So hence AC is parallel to BD. Now since BD is parallel to AC, here we will write because AC is parallel to BD and BC is transversal. So what we can conclude? अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल हैं, BC ट्रांसवर्सल है, so this angle plus this angle will be equal to the sum of B and C will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming co-interior angles. Okay, so here we can write angle DBC plus angle ACB will be equal to 180 degree. Here you write co-interior angles. Because the sum of co-interior angles will be equal to, must be equal to 180 degree. So ACB is given 90 degree, so place 90 degree, angle DBC, it is given 90 degree, so 180 degree, angle DBC equals to 180, इसको यहाँ ले जाइए minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree, angle DBC is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. Very very simple. Again first we will prove angle B is equal to angle A by CPCT from the previous result. हमने previous result से angle B is corresponding to angle A here. Here you can see A and C. A is corresponding to B. A is corresponding to B. A is corresponding to B. A जो part है वो B के corresponding है. So angle A, that means this angle, you can say BAC is corresponding to ABD here. Okay, because DM is equal to CM. अब DM कैसे बनेगा? MDB और here CM is this. तो CM किसके corresponding होगा? Always MD के. तो MCA. So here you can see कि angle A is always correspond to angle B. So first we will prove angle B equals to angle A. Now they will form the alternate pair of angles. Because they are forming alternate pair of angles, so AC will be parallel to BD. This we can conclude from the previous result. Now अब हमने AC को AB के पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दिया, then BC will be the transversal. So the BC है वो क्या बन जाएगी? Transversal. And इन दोनों का sum, we know that parallel lines में the angles between the you can say transversal will be equal to the sum of the two angles between the parallel lines will be equal to 180 degree by co-interior angles. So the sum of B and C will be equal to 180 degree, and then we can easily prove DBC is a right triangle. Okay. Now moving on to the third part. The question is angle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. This we have to prove. Now how to prove? Now C part. At first you will write in triangle DBC and triangle ACB. It is already given that they are corresponding. DBC is corresponding to ACB. Okay. Now how to prove? Simple. DB is equal to AC. Proved earlier, you can say by CPCT you can say. So here you will write BD is equal to AC. Here you will write proved earlier. Proved above you can write. Or you can say by CPCT. Okay, because we have done the congruency between these two triangles, and there we have proved that DB is equal to AC by CPCT. Okay. Now second, DBC angle DBC is equal to angle ACB. Here again you will write proved above. Now third, BC is common in both. BC equal to BC, here you will write common, because both the triangles have same base, that is BC. इस triangle ABC triangle का भी base BC है, DCB triangle का base भी BC है. So now here you will write, here you can say see कि SAS side angle side property we can apply here. So now at last, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS congruency criterion. So we have proved the three parts and it is very, very easy. Now here the fourth part, CM is equal to half of AB. But we have to prove CM equals to half of AB. Okay, now how to prove this I am telling, and it is very, very easy as well. Okay. The fourth part is this. What we have to prove, CM equals to half of AB. Now we have proved कि ABC is congruent to DCB earlier. हमने ABC को DCB के congruent prove कर दिया. Now by simplicity what we can write? इसके corresponding जो pairs होंगे वो क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. इसके right angle के opposite hypotenuse will be equal to the side of side opposite to C angle क्या opposite क्या है? AB है. वो भी क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. By simplicity. Now here you will write, since triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, so what we can write? DC is equal to AB. This we can write, and in the reason column what you will write? CPCT. By CPCT we can write it. Okay. Since DC is what? DC is what? CM plus DM. This is what? CM plus DM equals to AB. Okay. CM plus DM equals to AB, and we know that it is given CM equals to DM. It is also given CM equals to DM. So in place of DM we can write CM here. So CM plus CM equals to AB. Okay. CM plus CM, 2CM equals to AB. So CM equals to AB by 2. At last you will write hence proved. So this we have proved. The fourth part, that means it is a typical type of question, so you have to understand this question very carefully. So how to do this? Because since we have proved CD, that means DBC triangle congruent to ACB, so we can write it corresponding parts equal to each other. So AB 90 degree का opposite है. Here you can see कि 90 degree is B, so उसके opposite क्या है? CD. So we can write by CPCT, CD is equal to AB. Okay. So now CD equals to AB, and we know that DC is what? DC is what? DM plus CM. So in place of DC we can write CM plus DM. Now since it is given CM equals to DM, so CM plus CM equals to AB. 2CM equals to AB, then we can move this 2 from this side to this side and we will get our required result. Okay. Welcome again. Now today, before moving on to the exercise 7.2, we have to learn a theorem 7.2. Very, very important theorem, because sometimes examiner asked, or you can say कि कोई भी ऐसा question पूछ ले कि what is theorem 7.2 and how to prove it. So very, very important कि how to prove a theorem. So I am telling you how to prove it. The theorem is, first कि what is theorem I am telling. The theorem is a proven statement which is used in questions, or there we use directly. हम वहां पे उसको directly use करते हैं. So what is theorem? A proven statement जिसको prove कर चुके हैं mathematician, earlier जो mathematician हुए उनको prove कर चुके हैं, और उनका implementation करेंगे हम अपने questions में, so that our calculation becomes easy. So now what theorem says, first the language. angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means एक isosceles triangle है, उसकी जो equal sides होती हैं उनके opposite जो angles बने हुए होते हैं they are equal to each other. This we have to prove. So first make a triangle ABC. What triangle is there? ABC, in which AB is given equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Now first thing given, first you will write the given. ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, okay, in which AB is equal to AC. This is given, okay. Now second thing, what we have to prove? To prove, हमने प्रूव क्या करना है? एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C. AC के अपोजिट कौन सा एंगल है? साइड AC के अपोजिट एंगल है एंगल B, और AB के अपोजिट कौन सा एंगल? C. So we have to prove angle B equal to angle C. This we have to prove. So one thing we have to construct here. So write construction. Write construction. What we have to construct? We have to construct a line AD. AD हम लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है such that join draw AD such that it bisects angle A. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. हमने A से लेकर D को ज्वाइन कर देना है such that कि ये बाइसेक्टर. So what we will write? AD is the bisector of angle A. Simple. You can write this. AD is the bisector of angle A. अब ऐसा हमने ये लाइन ड्रॉन की है कि ये जो एंगल है is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Now proof. The important thing. Now we are giving proof कि आखिर ये इक्वल क्यों है. Now how to do? How to prove angle B equal to angle C? Now here you can see two triangles are there, ADC and ADB. If we prove the two triangles congruent to each other, अगर हम दो ट्राइंगल में congruency लगा दें, and if they are congruent to each other, so angle B will be equal to angle C. The corresponding part इस साइड के अपोजिट एंगल B और इस साइड के अपोजिट एंगल C. तो it will be corresponding pairs. Then we can say angle B equal to angle C. So that means we have to apply congruency in these two triangles. Okay. So now we are applying congruency in these two triangles. So in triangle ABD and triangle AB की correspond किया AC. So AB आगे है तो ACT. Okay. So first AB equals to AC. First thing. Second, angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle. It is given. Here you will write the given. Angle BAD. BAD is equal to angle CAD. CAD by construction you will write. Because we have made the angles are equal to each other by construction. So by construction you will write. And AD is a line which is a part of ABD, or AD is a line which is also a part of ADC. So it is a line which is common in both the triangles. So AD equals to AD, here you will write common. So first ABD के part ABD के नीचे, ACD के part ACD के नीचे, corresponding part, then the reason कि why they are equal or why they are, that means why you are writing this. So here you will write by SAS, side angle side, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, now we have proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So by this result, angle C is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. So this is a very, very important theorem. This you have to write in your notebook, class notebook. After exercise 7.1, you will write this theorem. Now moving further, as I told, but we have to learn the converse of theorem 7.2. First, the language. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Okay, so that means a triangle is there in which, let's go ABC, in which angle B is given equal to angle C. So first, given you will write what is given to us. ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to angle C. Only this thing it is given. Now, what is to be proved? To prove AB equal to AC. That means इस एंगल के अपोजिट जो साइड है एंड इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड है, क्योंकि बिकॉज बी इक्वल टू सी, तो इनके अपोजिट जो साइड्स हैं दे आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव? एंगल ए, दैट मींस AB is equal to AC. Now construction, because we have to draw, that means we have to construct a line here, and what we have to draw AD perpendicular to BC. What you have to prove? But we have to construct AD perpendicular to BC. So here you will write draw AD perpendicular to BC. Simple. Okay, if it is perpendicular, so this angle is of 90 degree, this angle will be of also 90 degree. हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दी. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसा करना है कि इट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. So this angle will be of 90 degree, so this angle will be also of 90 degree. So now proof. How we can prove कि AB equal to AC? By applying congruency. अगर हम इस ट्राइंगल से congruent proof कर दे, then we can say कि AB equal to AC, and it is very, very easy to apply congruency here. So now in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, इस ट्राइंगल में इस ट्राइंगल में we will apply congruency. ABD, angle B is equal to angle C. Here you will write the reason given. Okay, angle D, that means ADB is equal to angle ADC. Here you will write by construction, reason, by construction. Now the third, AD is common in both. AD equals to AD, common side. AD is common side of ABD and ACD. ABD और ACD की common side है AD. So we can write AD is common in both. So AD equals to AD. Now here you can say see AAS, angle side. So by AAS congruency criterion, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now we have proved this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So its corresponding parts will be equal to each other. So 90 degree opposite AB, so 90 degree opposite AC. So it is corresponding part. So here you will write AB is equal to AC by CPCT. CPCT is a very important term. अगर हम दो ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ कर दें तो उनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स क्या होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं. तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पेयर ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स. So by CPCT, AB equal to AC, and this we have to prove. Okay, so hence proved. So these two theorems you have to write after exercise 7.1. Okay.